Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to gain public watch hours on YouTube step by step. Start by planning consistent content pillars that attract viewers and encourage binge watching, then set a weekly upload schedule and optimize titles and thumbnails for clarity and curiosity. Focus on watch time retention by scripting the first 30 seconds to hook viewers, using timestamps and bundling related videos into playlists to guide viewers naturally from one video to the next. Research who watches your content and use analytics to spot high retention sections and drop-offs. Create content that serves clear viewer intent, answer questions, and deliver value within the first minute to increase watch time. Test different video lengths, analyze average view duration, and adapt thumbnails and hooks accordingly. Encourage viewers to watch another related video with end screens and pinned comments to grow session time and public watch hours. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more tips. On another note, check out the book shown here, Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers clear money thinking that pairs well with long-term creator planning. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Enjoy this quick ad. I'll be right back. Now let's get back to the video. Promote your videos across social platforms and tailor clips to each audience to drive traffic back to full videos. Collaborate with creators in your niche and cross-promote playlists to introduce viewers to multiple videos, increasing session watch time. Use community posts, shorts as teasers, and consistent CTAs to watch full episodes. Monitor traffic sources in analytics and double down on tactics that send sustained viewers to build steady public watch hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.